What if I told you I could teleport in the blink of an eye? Or read minds? Or control time? Okay, I can't do any of that, but I can bake up a storm, and that is my superpower. Here, at the Skills Ontario Baking Competition, we combine the superpowers of baking. All of us. The power to race against the clock. The power to exercise creativity. The power to delight taste buds. And it is a power that anyone in the province has the opportunity to pursue. How incredible is that? Yes, you have the power to be a cake designer, a cookie master, a sugar artist. Here at Skills Canada, Ontario.